Hey, I'm Abby of Mettle by Abby, and today I'm going to make a shovel, a garden rake, and a garden hoe. Let's start cutting. That happens a lot. I used to use beeswax. So I'm just gonna file this a little bit to add a little bit of form and shore up the lines and get rid of any burrs. All right, we have the head of a shovel and the head of a hoe. Let's talk rake. I love the amount of detail on the shovel and the hoe, and I want to put that into the rake as well. I'm going to use some decorative bezel wire. Now this is really soft, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to back it with some solid silver.
Too many puppies!
Too many puppies!
Yeah, so it should be quiet.
I like it quiet all the time.
This is the metal that I'm going to use for the handle. And I'm going to cut a slit in it. Gets hot. Now we need to solder it. For the hoe, I've started drilling a hole. So it's not just stuck on like that, it's stuck in way stronger. For the rake, I need to make the open part here.
By the end of this, we're gonna have our head in a jar.
Kitty cat. I get up for 2 seconds. Where's my hoe? There's my hoe.